They say, buy a cheap car and you're buying trouble, not a car. But if you truly understand the used car market, you'll know. There are some surprisingly affordable cars that run as reliably as new ones, even clocking over 200,000 kilometers with just a few oil changes. No turbo, no flashy technology, just the right durability gene. And today, we're diving into the 10 most reliable yet affordable car models, names that might seem obscure, but are true hidden treasures in the world of used cars. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Ten affordable yet reliable cars.
Shatter Toyota Auris.
The longer you look at this car, the more you realize its true value lies in its simplicity. No flash, no showiness. The Auris embodies Toyota's philosophy of less but tougher. Beneath its modest exterior is a 1.6-liter naturally aspirated engine, a machine built to work, not to cause headaches. No turbo, no complexity, no intricate electronics. Just a pure mechanical marvel that keeps running smoothly, year after year. What makes the Auris a hidden gem in the used car world is its unbelievably low maintenance cost. Parts are easy to find, any mechanic can work on it, and the car asks for little beyond regular oil and filter changes. Some joke, you only remember you own an Auris when you decide to upgrade. Even after hundreds of thousands of kilometers, the driving feel remains seamless and solid, something many pricier European cars can't match. It won't make you go, wow, at first glance, but it'll put a smile on your face every morning. You know this car will always start, always be ready, and never let you down. 9. Honda Jazz. If there's a car that represents unassuming durability, it's this one. Many see the Jazz as a car for older folks. Slow, not stylish, but those who've owned one know. It's the car that makes you forget the concept of breakdowns. The Jazz's 1.4i VTEC engine is one of the simplest and most reliable engines Honda ever built. No turbo, no complex timing belt, just a pure, solid block of metal that spins reliably for hundreds of thousands of kilometers, starting as smoothly as it did on day one. The transmission, clutch, and suspension are all designed with a single goal: to last long and not bother the owner. But what makes the Jazz special isn't just its durability, it's the incredible practicality. The Magic seats can fold flat, flip up, or transform the rear into a flexible storage space that's almost unbelievable for a compact hatchback. That's why young families and older drivers alike stick with the Jazz for years. It's not fast, not luxurious, and not loud. The Jazz wins people over in a different way, with absolute reliability. It may not make your heart race, but it gives you peace of mind every time you turn the key. And sometimes, that's the real luxury on today's roads.
8. Mazda 3.
This car was once seen as the quiet contender in the hatchback segment. But for those who've driven it, they know it's one of the rare cars that blends driving excitement with mechanical reliability in a sleek, compact package. It's not loud, not flashy, but it has something true car enthusiasts value: the purity in every rev. The 2.0 Skyactiv engine is proof of Mazda's philosophy of durability through simple engineering. No turbo, no complex fuel injectors, no intricate filters, just a naturally aspirated engine, fine-tuned to perfection. It's powerful, fuel-efficient, and practically indestructible. Many owners report their Mazda 3 crossing the 160,000 kilometer mark with only basic maintenance: oil changes, air filters, and fuel filters. That's it. What's fascinating is that, despite being built for longevity, the Mazda 3 still carries the sporty soul of the brand. The steering is precise, the chassis is balanced, and the driving feel is natural, making every curve smooth, yet confident. It's the kind of car that makes you smile while driving. not just sitting there going from point A to point B. The only downside? Rust, the enemy of older Japanese cars. But with proper care, the Mazda 3 is a budget hatchback with the heart of a small race car. It's proof that sometimes durable and fun can absolutely go hand in hand.
7. Ford Focus. 1 second now.
It's a name so familiar that many overlook it. But behind its mainstream image lies one of the smartest choices if you're hunting for a truly affordable and reliable car. The Focus has taken some heat for its modern EcoBoost versions, plagued by coolant leaks, engine failures, and repair costs that make anyone wary. But the 1.6 naturally aspirated version is a different story. It's the calm, steady, big brother. Not flashy, but absolutely dependable. This engine runs on pure mechanics. No turbo, no complex systems. Just change the oil and filters on time, and it can easily last beyond 200,000 kilometers. Its simple design means any garage can work on it, and parts are practically everywhere. Some owners even joke, the Focus 1.6 only stops when you want a brake. Another strength is Ford's signature driving feel. Balanced, confident, and easy to control. It makes even a daily commute feel engaging. It doesn't have the upscale look of German cars, but it offers the reliability of a longtime companion.
The only drawback: most of these cars are now older and have high mileage. But if you find one that's been properly maintained, the Focus 1.6 is a real steal in the used car world, a place where durability and driving joy still coexist. 6. Hyundai e-Third. This car was once seen as the practical person's choice, but that very practicality is what helps it stand the test of time. It doesn't make waves like the Golf or Focus. Instead, the i30 takes its own path: durable, economical, and quietly reliable.
The most trusted version is the 1.6 naturally aspirated model. So simple, it's almost impossible for anything to go wrong. No turbo, no direct fuel injection, no complex emissions filters. This simplicity makes the i30 one of the most unkillable hatchbacks of the past decade. Owners in the UK often share that they only need to change the oil, brake pads, and tires. That's it. The car keeps rolling past 150,000 kilometers without asking for more. Another big plus is Hyundai's 5 to 7 year warranty. This means even when you buy a used i30, there's a chance it's still under the manufacturer's protection, a rare perk in the budget segment. Inside, the interior isn't luxurious, but is logically laid out, with sufficient features and quality that holds up over time. The i30 may never appear on dream car lists, but it's a staple on most reassuring cars lists. Every time you turn the key, it starts smoothly. No odd noises, no warning lights. Just a solid, reliable feeling. In the world of used cars, that's true value.
Pause for 3 seconds and hit the subscribe button to support us.
5. Suzuki Swift. Small, fun, and a bit innocent in its design, but don't let its cute looks fool you. Beneath that charming exterior is a true warrior, always ready to hit the road without demanding much. The Swift proves that simplicity is often the root of durability.
Its heart, the 1.2 naturally aspirated engine, is like a mechanical sewing machine: small, light, economical, and incredibly tough. No turbo, no complex systems, nothing to worry about during maintenance. Just change the oil regularly, and the Swift can run smoothly for hundreds of thousands of kilometers without ever knowing what an engine failure is. Even mechanics love it because it's so well behaved, it rarely needs repairs. What's interesting is that, despite being built for efficiency, the Swift still offers rare driving joy for a small car. The steering is precise, the chassis is light, and the response is quick. Every turn feels lively and fun.
Sure, the Swift doesn't have a big trunk or a fancy interior, but that's not the point. With low fuel consumption, cheap maintenance, and near absolute reliability, it's the perfect urban companion. It's a car that never betrays its owner, quietly getting you where you need to go every day with total peace of mind. For Kia Ceed. Once seen as Europe's budget rival, this car has quietly changed how the world views the Kia brand. It's not flashy, not trying to compete for attention. The Ceed chooses a life of durability and practicality, like a friend who always shows up right on time, never causing a fuss. What makes the Ceed stand out is its 1.6 naturally aspirated engine, simple yet effective. No turbo, no complicated tech, just a reliable mechanical machine that runs smoothly and steadily through the years. Many Ceed models keep going strong past 130,000 kilometers with only basic maintenance. That's not luck. It's the result of Kia's long-held philosophy of built to last, not to break. Add to that Kia's legendary 7-year warranty, and the Ceed quickly wins the trust of used car buyers. While rival cars of the same age start showing issues, the Ceed keeps rolling reliably, with repair costs often half that of German cars. Its firm suspension, stable driving feel, and neat, user-friendly interior all create a simple but genuine comfort. The Ceed isn't a car that makes people gasp in awe, but it's one you'd confidently hand the keys to a loved one, and that, reliability, is the true definition of value in today's world of mainstream cars. Trace Skoda Fabia. If you believe the boring cars are often the most reliable, the Fabia is living proof. It's not glamorous, with no sporty lines or luxurious interior, but in return, it does one thing, and does it incredibly well. It gets you where you're going every day without draining your wallet. The heart of the Fabia is its 1.2 MPI naturally aspirated engine, a masterpiece of simplicity. No turbo, no direct fuel injection, no complex emissions filters, just pure, dependable mechanics that are nearly impossible to break. Many Fabia models sail past 150,000 kilometers, running smoothly with just a few oil changes, air filter replacements, and routine checks. Its design is so simple that any garage can fix it, and parts cost less than a meal out. But the Fabia isn't just reliable, it's pleasantly practical. The interior is roomier than its exterior suggests, with comfortable seats and great visibility. This makes it a perfect choice for new drivers or small families. Low insurance costs, great fuel economy, and an extremely low failure rate make the Fabia a favorite for those who just want to drive with peace of mind. It has nothing to brag about, but also nothing to worry about. And sometimes, that's the best thing you can ask for in a car. Peace of mind every time you turn the key. Toyota Yaris. It's a name so familiar that many overlook it without a second thought. But that very ordinariness is the secret behind its status as a legend in the world of city cars. The Yaris doesn't try to win you over with horsepower or design. Instead, it offers something far rarer: limitless durability. The most reliable version is the 1.3 naturally aspirated engine, simple, purely mechanical, and virtually immune to minor issues. No turbo, no complex timing belt, no fragile electronics. What you get is a diligent machine that keeps running year after year. Countless owners confirm their Yaris has surpassed 200,000 kilometers without major engine work, just oil changes, filters, and the occasional brake pads. But what makes the Yaris special isn't just its durability, it's how easy it is to live with. Its compact size, great visibility, light steering, and smooth transmission make it the ideal car for both new drivers and those needing a dependable daily vehicle. No sporty exhaust note, no fancy LED lights, but every morning when you turn the key and hear the engine start smoothly, you'll understand why people call the Yaris the car that never dies. In a world full of fragile tech, sometimes simplicity is the height of intelligence. 1. Honda Civic, 2006 to 2011.
The 8th generation, with its controversial spaceship design, sparked debates at first, but over time it proved itself not just unique, but one of the most durable Civics ever made. In the world of used cars, where everything has an expiration date, the Civic seems to defy the rules. The more it's driven, the smoother it runs. The older it gets, the tougher it feels. Its heart, the 1.8i VTEC engine, is a testament to Honda's peak mechanical engineering. Smooth, efficient, and nearly immortal. No turbo, no complexity, just a refined engine that spins effortlessly across all revs. It's powerful enough to excite you and durable enough to never worry you. Many Civics from this era have clocked over 250,000 kilometers with their original engine and transmission untouched, a feat many European cars can only dream of. Beyond durability, the Civic offers a distinct driving experience. The steering is precise, the chassis is solid, and cornering feels confident. Even short city drives carry a hint of sportiness. The spacious interior, futuristic dashboard, and impressive fuel economy make the Civic both exciting and practical. With just a few £1,000s, you can own a car that's both reliable and engaging enough to make every drive a joy. That's why car enthusiasts respectfully call the 2006 to 2011 Honda Civic the car that never tires. These 10 cars may not be flashy or packed with cutting-edge tech, but they deliver what used car buyers truly need: durability, ease of repair, and reliability. They prove that cheap doesn't mean poor, and that simplicity is sometimes the wisest choice. With these models, you don't just save money, you buy peace of mind. Every turn of the key brings reassurance. If the video is good, hit like. If not, hit subscribe.